welcome to my garage. That is a mess, yes, I know. But today we're going to be installing a Lectron carburetor on my 2007 SM16 610 Husqvarna. So with this, I have actually never owned a Lectron carburetor before, but I have heard nothing but good reviews about them, and so we're here to see. My carburetor on this thing died, and instead of trying to buy some $300, $200 Chinese carburetor or rebuild what I had, we decided to just go with the better option, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, let me get the box real quick. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the box it shipped in. It is a 4-pound box. Let me see if I get a knife. Ooh, knife. All right. So let me start by saying I ordered an Lectron carburetor because I actually watch a lot of YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Look at that. I watch a lot of Jake Gardensnake, B-Rad, and some of those guys, and all of them highly advise this carburetor because of how it works jetless, and it actually tunes itself due to altitude and heat, temperature, and all that stuff. So here we go. Let's see what we've got here. Put my knife back up. Oh, look, we got paper. Don't need that. Put that away. Oh, a nice new throttle tube. Yes. So all Lectrons come with a new single cable throttle tube, which is awesome. I think it's either metal or plastic. I'm not sure. We'll see when we pull it out. So we got a new throttle tube. Set that off to the side. New grips, which are awesome. These Dominion grips, or Domino grips, they are close to what I had on the bike already, but they look pretty good. Nice new black grips. Let's see what else is in there. I'll get it here in a second. I have a new throttle cable. It says Barnett's. It's got the lube. Sweet. Cable lube. We need that actually. And another throttle spacer. Need that also. Alright, so what you saw in the first one was the throttle tube. Correct? Yes. So I have G2 throttle tube, but here is the throttle slide. So it comes with a all new throttle slide by Domino also, with all the parts and accessories. And let's see. Paid, that is a receipt. Don't need that. And then here, let me get this box out. Thank you, Lectron. Look at that. They left a nice note. These guys are really awesome. Great to deal with. I actually ordered mine through a dealer, Bulletproof Cycle, and they were a little hard to deal with during this whole coronavirus situation, but it came out pretty well. Rod, oh look. We might actually keep this sticker right here. It says all the idle pitches, the rods, and the start point and idle screw is all turned right. So we're gonna try and keep that sticker in as much tack as possible. Let's see if I can put that off to the side. We'll put that on the toolbox and pull this out. Really awesome. We got this thing up pretty good. Plastic. Oh, look. And of course, Lectron stickers, because we love stickers. So, got some Lectron stickers. And here it is, boys and girls. This is the famous Lectron carburetor. I bet y'all get a close-up view on it. It is a flat side carburetor with a clear bowl, which is really awesome. All new drainage lines Awesome. New fuel line. Awesome. So this is all good stuff. That's going to be really, really nice. So I believe that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Definitely high quality, I can tell. It does have patent pending numbers on it. Lectron Carburetor is got all the screws. Seems pretty well. So this is it. Looks like we got a choke. Oh man, that choke is, there it is. Choke's nice. Smooth, buttery smooth. All right. So like I said, Lectron Carb, this is my unboxing of it. And so if you wanna go a little bit further in the video, we're actually gonna be installing it on this bike. It's gonna be fairly easy, I hope. It shouldn't be too hard. We literally have to put it back on the air filter, tighten the hoses, back on, feed my drainage tubes, and that should be it. So I will catch you here in just a second when I install this.